Aircraft maintenance technicians have a very important job. They manufacture, maintain, and keep the aircraft flying safe. A day in the life of an aviation maintenance student is anything but ordinary. It's all about understanding the complex principles of airworthiness, hands-on learning, and compliance to regulations.
Welcome to Savannah Technical College, Aviation Division. Come on inside.
Tech school isn't your ordinary mode of learning. On a typical day, you may start in class. Or sewing a leather for a pilot seat. Or performing an operational check on an engine. Or even bucking rivets that would prove to be a great skill in the manufacturing of multi-million-dollar corporate and business jets.
Instructors treat each student as future professionals, not just students. They are industry-experienced instructors who provide practical, real-world knowledge that goes beyond the theory, which allow for greater understanding and adaptability in their mode of teaching. Our experienced instructors share current industry trends, potential challenges and solutions, and provide personal, real-time feedback which boosts students' achievement and confidence. Here at Savannah Technical College, we offer a supportive learning environment that helps the student understand and apply these principles in their learning activities.
Hi, my name is Patricia Boyles and I'm the Academic Advisor here in the Aviation Division.
The hands-on training here at Savannah Technical College mirrors what the industry is doing today. It allows the student to successfully transition into the workplace with the knowledge, the skills, and the experience.
The student starts in the classroom, gaining knowledge on aerodynamics, aircraft systems, composite materials, engines, avionics, upholstery, safety protocols, even aviation physics and math. Then it's off to the labs and the hangar, where they inspect, troubleshoot, and perform practicals on real aircraft. It's not just an ordinary day. Our students learn by doing, applying real-world maintenance practices. Every bolt turned, every tool used, and every system tested prepares the student for the strict standards of the aviation industry. Aviation is technical, demanding, and deeply rewarding by mastering both the theory and practical skills. Our students are not just learning to fix airplanes, they're being trained to keep the skies safe. So go ahead, take a few moments as you watch this video to visualize where your future with Savannah Technical College will take you. Dual enrollment pathways offer substantial benefits such as academic and career advantages, personal growth, including significant cost and time savings, and a smoother transition into post-secondary education with increased college readiness and confidence. This program allows students to explore aviation as an academic discipline and career pathway. It includes access to career technical courses that can lead to industry-recognized certifications or licenses. Overall, the dual enrollment program provides a strategic on-ramp to college and career success, making higher education more accessible and affordable for a diverse range of students. We hope you found an interest in our programs as you watched this video. Please feel free to inquire with our academic advisor or any faculty or staff member in regards to how you can become an aviation professional. It will be an honor to see you here on our campus attending our programs. Thanks.
Please join us here at Savannah Technical College, a college that works.